Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do neon effect in CapCut. So when you open your CapCut, you launch a new project. So when you launch a new project, please import the video that you're going to edit. Alright, so I'll quickly look for the video that I'm going to edit. Okay, so let's assume I'm going to edit this video here. Then I say add. Alright, so in order for me to put the neon effect, okay, what I want to do is quite simple. As you can see, the video is playing. Tap on the video itself. Okay, then when you tap on the video itself, it's better you go back to the home page first. Okay, then come to effects over here. Okay, so when you come to effects, you see three options: body effect, video effects, then photo effects. So come to video effects. So when you come to video effects, you come to the search bar over here. Okay, then search for neon. It's better you search for it quickly. So when you search for neon, they'll give you a variety of neon. So you choose the one you want. So I'll choose this one here. Okay, then I adjust a bit. Alright, so after adjusting a bit, you adjust a bit up to there. Okay, so when you're done, you're good to go. You can even play your video in that very way. Okay, alright, so this is the neon effect that I have saved. Okay, so I'll just tap on this tick and the neon effect is playing. Let's play it again. Okay, so that's how to add neon effect on your CapCut. Thank you for watching.